Hello guys, this video is only for educational purpose. This is not a buy sell recommendation. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in any stock or any index. Okay. So talking about Nifty for next week, what I see in Nifty is in downtrend. Okay, it is forming higher lows, so it's in downtrend and it is happening for quite few days now. Okay, so from Feb 15th Nifty is in downtrend. If we look at short-term moving average 9, the Nifty also closes below that level. So it's inconsistently downtrend, but from 3 to 4 weeks. If we look at chart, the Nifty is in range. Okay, the range of 15,000 to 15,000 to 14,450. Okay, so it's moving in a range and also forming higher highs from that. Okay, but what it looks like, the Nifty has breakdown from the higher highs that he make. So if you look in short-term chart of Nifty, if we look at short-term chart of Nifty, say 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 15 minutes time frame, then we can it looks like it gives a breakdown from the trend line and now resisting these level. Okay, now resist. Okay, Nifty gives breakout from these level and now resisting from these levels. Okay, so crossing above 14,778 is the hurdle now. If in case Nifty gives a gap up opening, then I will say it will be bullish for some time. But overall, if we look at this structure, it's look like Nifty has given a breakdown and will heading towards 450. Okay, 14,450 levels. Okay, if it gives a gap up opening, then prefer to sell higher. Okay, and if we look at 1 hour chart of Nifty, if we look at 1 hour chart of Nifty, it had given a breakdown, but the thing is SGX Nifty is trading higher, so Nifty might open gap up, but it is resisting these levels, so it have to open above 14,775. Okay, so for now, from my analysis, it looks like if it open gap up, we need to sell on rise. Okay, so it will head towards 450 as per the chart, and in case it moving ahead, and what will be our stop loss here? So our stop loss will be 15,000 levels. Okay, so this is our stop loss. Now I will talk about one more index that whose chart looking very interesting. Whose chart is PSU banks. So in last few days, PSU sector is performing very well. And if we look at PSU bank weekly chart, here we are seeing that it's in continuous downtrend from 2012. Okay, so if we connect some dots from 2008, take 2018 high and join the trend line, we can see that the stock is nearing to break out. Okay, and it's also forming a cuff and handle like structure here. So I will show you the cup and handle like structure. This is the cup and handle like structure that that PSU bank is forming. Okay, so if in any case it will give breakout from these level and sustain above 2498 level, then what I see is Nifty PSU sector can perform in this year. Okay, so thank you guys. This is all in this video. Please subscribe my channel if you like it.